Hi, I'm Michelle with Quiet Village Landscaping, and I'm here with Josh, our irrigation manager, to help us talk about some irrigation problems and solves. Larger properties require a little bit more irrigation care, or HOAs, for example, of multiple people having irrigation on different parts of the property. So we recommend monthly checks for the irrigation system and making sure that everything is adjusted.
It's true. One of the most important services that we offer is our seasonal checks and up to monthly checks, because the weather's constantly changing. So even with a smart irrigation system, it can't always tell you if a sprinkler's not rotating, if a bush is growing and blocked a sprinkler. So if you want to maintain that lush, beautiful landscape, have your irrigation checks come out monthly, or at least at every season change, to dial the water in for you.